I'm doing an unboxing for my hair. This is Cleo Lace Wig. Fresh and trendy styles for every day. This is what the hair looks like. This is color 1. So let's take it out. Yo. These are the edges. This is the lace. Inside. It's soft. It don't feel like stringy, like it's synthetic hair though. It's not baby doll hair. You know? Something simple. I wanna say this is like 16 inches. I think like 10, that's 12, that's 14, that's about 14, 16 inches. And then I'll do an install.